Ever wondered about the secrets that lie in the deepest parts of the ocean? Imagine a mesmerizing ballet of glowing creatures. Picture the darkest depths where the sun's rays fail to penetrate, yet it is not a world cloaked in perpetual darkness. On the contrary, it's a spectacle of lights, a dance of colors. This is the realm of bioluminescent organisms, life forms that create their own light. In this profound darkness, bioluminescence is not just a beautiful natural phenomenon, it's a survival mechanism. Some species use this self-produced light to communicate, sending complex signals through the inky abyss. Others use their radiant glow as a cloaking device, a form of underwater camouflage, to blend into the background light. And some, in a fascinating twist, use their light to attract prey, luring unsuspecting victims toward them like a moth to a flame. In the darkest depths, life creates its own enchanting light show. It's a bioluminescent ballet, a dance of survival, communication and predation. A truly fascinating secret of the deep sea. The deep sea is home to living fossils like the coelacanth, virtually unchanged for millions of years. Now imagine that, a creature that swam alongside the dinosaurs, still swimming in our oceans today. The coelacanth, a fish that was thought to have gone extinct 65 million years ago, was rediscovered in 1938, astonishing the scientific world. This ancient fish, with its lobed fins and armored scales, offers a captivating glimpse into our planet's evolutionary history. But the coelacanth is not alone in its antiquity. Other deep-sea dwellers, such as the horseshoe crab and the nautilus, have also remained largely unaltered for hundreds of millions of years. These living fossils provide valuable insights into the marine ecosystems of the distant past, helping us understand how life has evolved and adapted over time. These creatures are time travelers, offering us a peek into the ancient marine world. So next time you look at the ocean, remember it's not just water, it's a window into our planet's past. In the abyssal depths, life has adapted to withstand crushing pressure, but how exactly do these deep-sea dwellers manage to survive in conditions akin to balancing an elephant on your thumb? The answer lies in some rather ingenious adaptations. Take, for instance, the blobfish. This not-so-attractive creature boasts a body that's more jelly than muscle, allowing it to float above the seafloor without expending much energy. Its gelatinous body is less dense than water, helping it resist the intense pressure. And then there are the deep-sea microbes. These tiny wonders have evolved special proteins that prevent their cells from collapsing under extreme pressure. These proteins, aptly named piezophiles, are like the deep sea's own brand of molecular armor, defending the cells from the harsh conditions of the abyss. From flexible bodies to remarkable proteins, the denizens of the deep have evolved fascinating strategies to survive. These creatures defy the odds, thriving in the hostile environment of the deep sea. Some species undertake epic migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers in search of sustenance or breeding grounds. Imagine a journey where neither sun nor compass guide your way, but the pull of instinct and the promise of survival. This is the reality for many deep-sea creatures. From the humble lanternfish to the colossal sperm whale, these species embark on mysterious voyages through the abyss. Their routes, crisscrossing the dark expanse of the ocean, are charted by unseen currents and the echo of distant calls. What drives these migrations? Is it the lure of abundant prey, the call of breeding grounds, or the need to escape predators? Perhaps it's a combination of these factors or something entirely unknown. Even with cutting-edge technology, these questions remain largely unanswered. The deep sea is a world of enigmas, and these migrations are no exception. They are testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the most extreme conditions. These epic journeys are one of the many enigmas of the deep. The deep sea is home to some of the largest creatures on the planet. Nowhere else can you find the colossal squid, with tentacles reaching up to a staggering 46 feet, or the mysterious giant oarfish, a serpentine beauty stretching up to 56 feet. This phenomenon, known as deep-sea gigantism, baffles scientists. Why do these creatures grow to such enormous sizes in the deep? Well, theories abound. Some propose it's the cold temperatures slowing metabolism, thus extending lifespan and allowing for increased size. Others suggest it's to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep, or simply to better hunt scarce prey in the vast darkness. Beyond their size, these giants are remarkable in their own right. The colossal squid, for instance, has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, like dinner plates peering out from the abyss. These giants challenge our understanding of biological limits and the ecological dynamics of the abyss. They're not just big, they're a big deal to our understanding of life under the sea. In the absence of light, many deep-sea organisms rely on chemical cues. Now, isn't that a fascinating thought? In a realm where even the faintest glimmer of sunlight is a luxury, chemical communication becomes the language of survival. It's a world where sight is of little use, and yet life thrives, guided by an intricate dance of chemical signals. Think of a creature navigating its way through the deep, dark ocean, relying not on sight, but on the taste and smell of chemicals in the water. It's akin to us finding our way in the dark, but with the added challenge of being submerged in a vast, ever-moving body of water. These chemical cues are more than just a compass, though. They also signal the presence of food. A whiff of certain chemicals can lead a creature right to a tasty meal. And beyond food and navigation, these signals also play a crucial role in communication. They allow deep-sea organisms to interact, to find a mate, to warn off rivals, and to convey a host of other messages. In the abyssal darkness, a complex chemical language orchestrates life. Deep-sea ecosystems are intimately connected to geological processes. Now, let's dive into the world of underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. These aren't just geological features, they are biodiversity hotspots, teeming with life forms that are as unique as they are fascinating. Imagine, if you will, an underwater volcano erupting, spewing molten lava into the icy depths. This might seem like a hostile environment, but it's precisely these extreme conditions that give rise to some of the most extraordinary life on Earth. Around these volcanic vents, life thrives in a form that defies our understanding of survival. Creatures here do not rely on sunlight for energy, as most life does. Instead, they depend on the heat and minerals spewed by the vents, a process known as chemosynthesis. This supports an intricate web of life, from microscopic organisms to larger predators, all thriving in this seemingly inhospitable environment. These oases of life thrive on the Earth's inner heat, a testament to the resilience of life. Many deep-sea organisms have formed fascinating symbiotic relationships. Life in the deep sea is all about teamwork. Take, for example, bacteria-powered tube worms. These amazing creatures have no stomach, no mouth, and no way to eat. So, how do they survive? They've formed a partnership with bacteria that live inside them, converting chemicals from hydrothermal vents into nutrients. It's a perfect trade-off. The tube worms provide a safe home, and the bacteria supply the food. Now let's consider another fascinating example: the fish that use glowing bacteria to lure prey. In the deep, dark abyss, these fish have a built-in fishing rod, a fleshy growth from their head that houses bioluminescent bacteria. The glowing lure attracts unsuspecting prey right into the fish's mouth. Talk about a clever trick. These are just a few examples of the intricate relationships formed in the deep sea. These partnerships highlight the interconnectedness of life in the abyss. The deep ocean floor is a vast graveyard, a crucial part of the global carbon cycle. Now let's imagine a rain of organic matter falling from the sunlit surface to the abyss below. This isn't a storm, but a steady, gentle shower of detritus, a mix of dead plankton, animal carcasses, and other organic remnants. It's called marine snow, and it's a lifeline for a bustling community of deep-sea scavengers and decomposers. Crabs, shrimp, sea cucumbers, and a myriad of other creatures scurry across the seafloor, feasting on this bounty. They break down the organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Bacteria play their part too, decomposing the leftovers into simpler compounds. This process is crucial as it helps sequester carbon, preventing it from returning to the atmosphere and contributing to climate change. This deep-sea graveyard influences climate patterns and ocean chemistry, underscoring the interconnectedness of Earth's ecosystems. It's a reminder that every part of our planet, even the hidden depths of the ocean, plays a role in maintaining the balance of life. Despite advances in technology, much of the deep ocean remains unexplored. It's a vast enigma, a realm of profound mystery and boundless potential. Imagine the thrill of venturing into these uncharted territories, where every expedition could lead to a new discovery. This isn't just about finding new species of fish or uncovering hidden geological features, it's about broadening our understanding of life itself, peering into the unknown to unravel the secrets of our planet's most secluded ecosystem. Yet it's not all about the thrill of discovery. These explorations are also crucial for conservation efforts. By understanding the complex dynamics of these deep-sea environments, we can better protect them from threats like overfishing, pollution, and climate change. So, as we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, let's remember the importance of preserving these enigmatic realms. The exploration of these unknown realms promises to unveil even more fascinating secrets of marine ecosystems.